check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys. It sound right, boy.
Thank you, team. And the designer, please. So, who's the designer? Yes.
Hi, friends. Good evening.
എന്താ കളി തുടങ്ങിയോ? Very good background scoring. Nice song.
Thank you.
Yeah, tell me, continue.
She is Preeti. She is my first model. I have tried a sleeveless blouse with sleeve coat. Actually, based on this theme, I have choose saree for her. In fashion, fashion is nothing but we'll get old things to new, and we'll go from new
it's
to
a cycle.
old.
It's a cycle.
It's a cycle, and so that I have tried something new in saree. And next one.
That's good. Great.
She's Akshaya. I have tried inverted cone. It is like lehenga. I have tried inverted cone shapes in her lehenga. I have chosen this color because it will give good attraction in evening time parties, and I have given illusion neckline because illusion neckline gives an attractive look for this lehenga. And next. She is Arundhati. I have tried a bridal look for her. Because of that cycle, I've differently used her skirt. Comparing to normal lehenga with bridal look, I have tried something different in her skirt.
You given an Andhra touch.
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
He is Balaji. Actually, this is Sharwani. I have given a combo of cherry blossom something, and I have attached shawl on his front. Usually shawl will have both side floating, but I have tried only in the front side. And he is Shivaram. I have used a coat for his Sharwani. I have chose this color because I want a pair look for this. So I have chose this with another Sharwani and his.
It's matching both of them.
And she had a sleeve which is attractive, which has attractive look for party wear. And I have given a shawl with petal appearance. This was made by me in my hand.
It's with painting, the
No.
design. Patchwork or painting?
This is made of
ಇಲ್ಲ.
soft net.
Oh, starting class. Oh. I'm asking that work,
Yes, ma'am,
the
it is,
work is there, no? That's why I'm asking.
It is made of soft net, ma'am.
Soft knit.
Soft net with gold wires.
Okay.
Next. For this, I have used an embroidery top which has traditional jewelry design, and her lehenga is like with has knife pleat, which will give a long flow.
Nice work.
Who chose that song? Who chose that song?
Actually,
Background score.
song was chosen by my teammates.
Really good. Yeah, that's how you should be. Like, no, the fashion shows, no, it's very important. That also, like, thank you.
Thank you.
Good job.